The purpose of sleep is to provide your body, including your brain, with the necessary time to undergo essential functions such as repair and waste elimination, as well as the release of hormones. Sleep is a vital component of optimal health, akin to our need for sustenance and hydration. This is evident from the fact that we dedicate approximately a third trusted source of our lives to sleeping. Numerous crucial biological processes occur during the sleep cycle. The brain consolidates new information and eliminates harmful waste products. Nerve cells engage in communication and reorganization, promoting robust brain function. Cellular repair, energy restoration, and the release of vital molecules like hormones and proteins take place within the body. These processes are integral to maintaining our overall well-being. Their absence would disrupt the proper functioning of our bodies. Let's delve deeper into the reasons behind sleep and explore the potential consequences of insufficient rest. The exact reasons for sleep remain largely unclear, though it is widely acknowledged that sleep serves multiple vital purposes. While no single explanation exists, it is likely driven by a combination of biological factors. Scientists have identified several significant ways in which sleep benefits the body. The primary theories and reasons are summarized in this video. The energy conservation theory proposes that sleep is necessary to preserve energy, achieved by operating at a lower metabolic rate during rest. Research demonstrates that obtaining 8 hours of sleep can yield a substantial 35% reduction in daily energy expenditure compared to being fully awake. This theory asserts that sleep's primary function is to curtail energy consumption during periods, day and night, when hunting for sustenance is less feasible and efficient. Another theory, called the restorative theory, says the body needs sleep to restore itself. The idea is that sleep allows cells to repair and regrow. This is supported by many important processes that happen during sleep, including muscle repair, protein synthesis, tissue growth, hormone release. The brain plasticity theory underscores the necessity of sleep for optimal brain function, particularly in enabling the reorganization of neurons or nerve cells. During sleep, the brain's glymphatic system efficiently eliminates waste from the central nervous system, ridding the brain of toxic byproducts that accumulate during wakefulness. This process ensures the brain's optimal functioning upon awakening. Research indicates that sleep plays a vital role in memory function by converting short-term memories into enduring long-term ones, while also aiding in the removal or forgetting of unnecessary information that could otherwise overwhelm the nervous system. Sleep significantly impacts various aspects of brain function, including learning, memory retention, problem-solving abilities, creativity, decision-making skills, focus, and concentration. Likewise, sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining emotional well-being. During sleep, specific brain regions governing emotions become more active, fostering robust brain health and emotional equilibrium. Noteworthy areas of heightened activity during sleep encompass amygdala, striatum, hippocampus, insula, medial prefrontal cortex. An illustrative instance of sleep's influence on emotional regulation is observed in the amygdala. Situated in the temporal lobe, this brain segment orchestrates the fear response, influencing your reactions to perceived threats, such as stressful situations. Adequate sleep empowers the amygdala to react more adaptively. Conversely, sleep deprivation heightens the likelihood of an exaggerated response from the amygdala. Extensive research underscores the interconnectedness of sleep and mental well-being. On one hand, sleep disruptions can contribute to the development and advancement of mental health conditions. Conversely, mental health challenges can exacerbate sleep disturbances. Sleep exerts influence on your body weight through the regulation of hunger hormones. These crucial hormones encompass ghrelin, which stimulates appetite, and leptin, which promotes a sensation of fullness post-meal. While asleep, ghrelin levels diminish, attributed to the reduced energy expenditure during slumber compared to wakefulness. Nonetheless, inadequate sleep disrupts this balance, resulting in heightened ghrelin levels and diminished leptin activity. This disparity intensifies feelings of hunger, potentially leading to an escalation in caloric intake and subsequent weight gain. Recent studies underscore the significance of sufficient sleep duration. Even a mere 5 consecutive nights of insufficient sleep has been linked to an elevated susceptibility to conditions such as obesity, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells use glucose or sugar for energy. But in insulin resistance, your cells don't respond properly to insulin. This can lead to high blood glucose levels and eventually type 2 diabetes. Sleep may protect against insulin resistance. It keeps your cells healthy so they can easily take up glucose. The brain also uses less glucose during sleep, which helps the body regulate overall blood glucose. A robust and effective immune system relies heavily on adequate sleep. Scientific research has revealed that insufficient sleep can impair the immune response, rendering the body more vulnerable to infections. During the sleep cycle, your body generates cytokines, essential proteins that combat infections and inflammation. Additionally, it manufactures specific antibodies and immune cells. These collective agents work cohesively to safeguard against illnesses by eradicating harmful pathogens. This underscores the critical role of sleep, particularly during periods of illness or stress. At such times, the body requires an increased supply of immune cells and proteins to mount a strong defense against potential threats. Although the precise underlying mechanisms remain elusive, experts posit that sleep contributes to cardiovascular well-being. This notion is rooted in the established connection between heart ailments and inadequate sleep. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, recommends an average of 7 hours of nightly sleep for adults. Consistently falling short of this duration can engender various health complications, many of which can adversely impact heart health. Sleep deprivation is linked to several risk factors associated with heart disease, encompassing elevated blood pressure, augmented activity of the sympathetic nervous system, heightened inflammation levels, increased cortisol production, weight gain, insulin resistance. The sleep process involves a sequence of 4 distinct stages. This cycle recurs multiple times throughout the night, with each stage lasting between 70 to 120 minutes. Typically, this pattern repeats around 4 to 5 times during a sleep duration of 7 to 9 hours. The sleep cycle encompasses 2 primary phases: non-rapid eye movement, non-REM sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM sleep. Within these phases, there are 4 stages of sleep, comprising 3 stages of non-REM sleep and 1 stage of REM sleep. The descriptors themselves provide insights into the characteristics of each stage. Non-REM sleep is marked by the absence of eye movements, while REM sleep, during which dreaming occurs, is distinguished by rapid eye movements. Stage 1. Non-REM sleep. During stage 1, which transpires when you initially drift into slumber, your body enters a state of light sleep. Here, your brain waves, heart rate, and eye movements gradually decelerate. This phase typically persists for approximately 7 minutes. Stage 2. Non-REM sleep. Stage 2 entails the phase of light sleep that precedes deep slumber. As you progress into this stage, your body temperature declines, eye movements come to a halt, and both heart rate and muscle tension ease. Brief spikes in brain waves are followed by a gradual deceleration. Throughout the course of a night's rest, the majority of your sleep time is typically allocated to Stage 2. Stage 3. Non-REM sleep. During stages 3 and 4, the onset of deep slumber occurs. Here, both your eyes and muscles remain motionless, while your brain waves further decrease in pace. Deep sleep plays a restorative role. It serves as a period for replenishing energy and mending cells, tissues, and muscles. This phase is imperative for experiencing a sense of alertness and revitalization upon waking the following day. Stage 4. REM sleep. The commencement of Stage 4, known as REM sleep, typically transpires approximately 90 minutes following the onset of slumber. During REM sleep, your eyes exhibit rapid movement from side to side. Within the realm of REM sleep, both brain waves and eye motions intensify. Additionally, your heart rate and respiration rate experience acceleration. Dreaming frequently occurs during REM sleep, while this stage also serves as a pivotal juncture for information processing by the brain. Its significance is underscored by its contribution to learning and memory functions. The recommended amount of sleep depends on your age. It also varies from person to person, but the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggests the following durations based on age: birth to 3 months, 14 to 17 hours, 4 to 12 months, 12 to 16 hours per 24 hours, including naps, 1 to 2 years, 11 to 14 hours per 24 hours, including naps, 3 to 5 years, 10 to 13 hours per 24 hours, including naps, 6 to 12 years, 9 to 12 hours, 13 to 18 years, 8 to 10 hours, 18 to 60 years, 7 or more hours, 61 to 64 years, 7 to 9 hours, 65 years and older, 7 to 8 hours. Insufficient sleep severely impairs proper bodily functions. Sleep deficiency has direct links to enduring health issues involving the heart, kidneys, blood, brain, and mental well-being. Moreover, inadequate sleep heightens the likelihood of accidents, posing risks to adults and children alike. For instance, drowsy driving significantly contributes to severe car collisions and potential fatalities. In the elderly, inadequate sleep correlates with an elevated susceptibility to falls and fractures, particularly broken bones. Sleep deprivation yields a spectrum of specific repercussions: mood alterations, anxiety, depression, impaired memory, diminished focus and concentration, reduced motor capabilities, overwhelming fatigue, compromised immune system, weight gain, elevated blood pressure, insulin resistance, predisposition to chronic ailments like diabetes and heart disease, escalated probability of premature death. Taking care of our health and ensuring our body's optimal functioning is closely tied to the role of sleep. It's during this restorative phase that both your body and mind get the chance to heal, rejuvenate, and recharge with vital energy. But not getting enough sleep can set off a chain reaction of unwelcome consequences. It can lead to struggles with memory retention, focus, and even impact your immune system, as well as causing mood fluctuations. For most adults, a good night's sleep of 7 to 9 hours is essential. If you find yourself grappling with sleep challenges, consider reaching out to a medical professional or a sleep specialist. Their expertise can help identify the underlying causes and guide you toward improving your sleep quality. If you're looking for more insights into holistic well-being and ways to lead a productive life, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join our community of eager learners as we delve into the intricate web of factors that contribute to a vibrant and fulfilling life. Remember, it's not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about putting that knowledge into practice. As we uncover the profound impact of sleep on our overall well-being, remember that real transformation happens when we integrate these insights into our daily routines. So, let's embark on this journey together. From now until our next video, I encourage you to embrace the incredible power of restorative sleep. Make a commitment to achieving those precious 7 to 9 hours of slumber each night and experience firsthand the positive shifts it can bring to your mood, memory, and overall vitality. By incorporating these practices and making them a natural part of your routine, you're not just passively watching a video, you're actively taking significant steps toward a healthier, more fulfilling life. Join us on this transformative path and hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel to stay connected. Continue along the road to a better, well-rested version of yourself. Your future self will undoubtedly be grateful for your commitment. Don't wait. Take the plunge into wellness and personal growth by subscribing now.